Another thing we do not do is put our hands in our food. Who's guilty of that? Come on now.
I feel like it's a finger food.
Oh, yes, I like that. But I know this table is guilty of it. No, hands in your food, right? Okay. All right, so definitely no hands in your food unless it is finger food, which is like a sandwich, pizza. We just had pizza for lunch. Fries, chicken nuggets, you know. Depends on the chicken. If it is not fried chicken, which you can pick up at times, like wings are finger food as well. Wings are finger food. But if you're having, let's say, who's Jamaican here or from the Caribbean? Who knows about brown stew chicken, curry chicken? Y'all know that stuff, right? Your hand should not be in that. If you have steak and potato, steak and rice, your hand should not be in that. Unless it is finger food, your hand should not be in your food. That is why we have a utensil for everything. Utensils is what we use, okay? That's very important. While you're dining, do not chew with your mouth open. I don't want to see this. You were just chewing that gum like that. Okay? Now, if I call you out, it's all in love, okay? It's all in love. So don't feel bad. We're in this together. So I adore every one of you. So if I call you out, just laugh with me because it is what it is, right? You chew with your lips closed like this. Let's chew, everyone. No, it's really important for you to chew with your lips closed because it is so improper and unpolished to be chewing with your mouth open. And there are people hearing every chew. That is so annoying. Okay, have you ever sat by someone and they're just snap? Of course. It's like, no, why are you doing that? So always chew with your mouth closed. Now, while you're chewing, if someone asks you a question or tries to engage in a conversation with you, you do not speak until you're finished chewing. What you do, kindly, with a smile, is hold up your index finger, which means hold on a moment, with a smile. And you will hear them say, oh, I'm sorry. Because you're essentially telling them, hold on a moment, I need to finish chewing what I have in my mouth, and I need to swallow, then speak. That's the proper thing to do. Indirectly, you're teaching them how to eat properly. Okay? But you want to always have a smile on your face. Don't be me like, wait.